G.S.B Seva Mandal 69th Ganeshotsav. So with us we have MD of Umicore, Shri Kedar sir. Kedar sir, it's a nice feeling to come here every time. I always speak with people and ask them about Bappa. How did you feel after coming here, sir?
So first of all, coming here is my privilege and I feel blessed. And the way the whole thing is like a spectacle and you feel the energy. I actually feel the energy. So the whole feeling, and thanks to my colleague Sandesh, because of him I can come and see you and talk to you, is just a blessing on earth you feel, and the Lord Ganesha is just behind us. So it's a great feeling.
And one thing is, once you come here, Bappa will call you everywhere, it seems.
I just hope that I am always here and helping more also along with you also. Looking forward to be here all the time and taking the blessings of Lord Ganesha.
Thank you so much, and all the best for your company as well. Let it grow so much.
Wish you all the best as well. Thank you.
Thanks.